Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to share information for this product. Like O Positiv is the brand and FLO PMS vitamin for women's. Okay, you should buy this product or not. Does it really work? If work, how much time it will take to give you results? Okay, so first of all, I'm going to share you very important information, that is like what is the use of this supplement. Okay, so basically it you can like balance your hormones, and it will, you can like provide your benefits related to mood swings and cramps during your period time. Okay, so basically this supplement is useful for women when they have their periods. They, if they feel very, you guys like so much pain, so much cramps and so much mood swings in their period time, then this product is really helpful. Okay, because in this product there are four main ingredient, that is like lemon balm, vitamin B6, chestberry and donquai. So these all ingredients are very helpful for women for supporting their hormones. Okay, but if we talk about like results, how much time it will take to give you results? When you consistently use this tablet, or we can say like capsule, it will give you results after 4 to 6 weeks. After 4 to 6 weeks you will see you can like some changes in your body. Like when you have your period cycle, in your upcoming period cycle you will see some changes. Okay, if you are thinking like within 1 week, within 2 week it will give you lots of change, so it's not possible. So basically you have to consistently take this supplement for approx 4 to 6 weeks, then you will see some changes. And you have to consistently use this product at least for 3 months, and for 3 to 6 months. And after using 3 to 6 months your body will completely balanced, and you will see lots of change in your body after 3 to 6 months. And if we talk about correct dose, you need to take one capsule once a daily. Okay, one capsule a daily. After breakfast you can take one capsule, and this is the only method to use this capsule. And this brand is really amazing also. Okay, and if we talk about one more important thing, that is like subscription, they also have some kind of subscription, so stay away, don't try to take any kind of subscription. Only you should buy product only on amazon.com. don't try to buy product on their official website, because on Trustpilot you can see this is the profile and there are some comments which is related to cancellation. Okay, like subscription cancellation issue is very you can like very big concern. Okay, so this is the thing. Now if you have any questions you can make a comment, I will reply very soon. And thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.